Hello students, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and here in this session we are going to discuss a very important concept of structures, and with the help of that we are going to create a structure whose name would be company, and we are going to store the name of company, address, phone number and number of employees in that, and finally we are going to show the data. So basically we have learned in detail about structures in classes, and here self you are going to learn what exactly this is going to do. So basically the process is very simple, and I am also going to show you the runtime output at the last. So do watch the video one by one. Okay. So basically we are going to include some header files, studio.h, because the functions like printf and scanf, their definitions, their definition files are stored in this header file, and standard library function we have included here. Basically, I hope that no need to include this. Also, it's going to work without it, right? So no need to worry. Even though if you are going to remove it, the program is going to run fine. Okay. Now, struct company, we are declared the structure. The name of structure is company, and under the structure, some structure variable that are called as member variables are like care name 20, address 50, and into phone and number of employee. So basically, name array is clear. Array is declared here, whose name is name, and memory allocated here is 20. We can allocate more memory to also, means independent of numbers. One more array whose name is address, and its memory is 50. One more data type, integer variable like phone and number of employees, because their data would be in integer format. Now this is completely structure syntax. You know the syntax of a structure. So this is, we have created a structure, right? This is the basic syntax of a structure, you know that. Now main function is going to work from here onwards, and struct company C1. We have created struct company C1. We are calling it, and what we are doing in this, we are asking user enter the details of company. Now here you can simply say percentage, percentage, percent d and percent d. First two percentage is for characters, because a group of characters are nothing but strings. And the last two is for integer types, right? C1 dot name. So whenever user is going to enter name of company, it is going to store at the C1 dot name. That is in the structure company name 20. Inside it, that is going to store C1 dot address. It is going to store here address 50. M% C1 dot phone number is going to store here in the phone, and M% C1 dot number of employee, it is going to store in this variable number of employee. Now what we are asking printf details of the company, like printf company name, company phone number, company address, and company number of employees. C1 dot name, whatever user have entered would be printed. C1 dot address, whatever user have entered would be printed. C1 dot phone and C1 dot number of employees. They are nothing but we are calling member to structures, because this dot is going to work as a member to structures. This is theoretical part discussed in theory, right? So, okay, this is the program, and let's try to run this program so that you are going to understand the concept betterly. Let me run it on my compiler, and you all are going to observe what exactly is going on. GCC, and the name is truct.c. Compiling, compile successfully, executable name A. Okay, enter detail of company. I am entering detail of company, maybe DSRGROUP. Okay, the second one was address. Let's say MANDSAUR. Third one was mobile number, whatever, 193. And the last one is nothing but it was number of employee, let's say 7. Let me put enter, and you can simply see here name is printed, address is printed, and company phone number basically we have put it in integer format, might be converted in somewhat other format like that, and number of employees is 7. So basically why it is printed, because there is a limitation of the integer is having limitations up to 32, 5, 6, 7, because it is only know about this. After that, it do not have any kind of it is having basically limitations, right? So if we are putting more than that, then it is going to observe any garbage value, because integers, every variable is having limitations, right? We have discussed about range, float. The range of float is fixed, the range of double is fixed, the range of character is fixed, the range of integer is fixed. So if we are putting something which is apart from the range, then this kind of garbage value would be printed. Now if we need exact whatever we need to put, we have to create such kind of memory, or we can use the platform, or you can simply see that that kind of memory is available, then it's going to print that. So no need to worry about it. Basically concept is more important, and this is the concept. I hope it is clear to everyone. Further, anybody have any kind of doubt or confusion, you can ask me. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.